Welcome to today's Japanese tiny house tour. In this video, we will explore a beautifully designed Japanese tiny house that perfectly blends traditional simplicity with modern functionality. This home is a wonderful example of how small space can still feel open, bright, and incredibly comfortable. As you step inside this Japanese tiny house, the first thing you'll notice is the wide glass openings in the central living area. These large windows are a key element in Japanese design, allowing natural light to flood the room and creating seamless connection between the indoors and the outdoors. The spacious feeling inside this Japanese tiny house comes not from the size, but from the clever way the design uses opens, light, and minimal furniture. The centerpiece of living area in this Japanese tiny house is its airy atmosphere, with fewer furnishing the space feel uncluttered, calm and inviting. A perfect example of Japanese minimalism, whether you were sitting in the living room during the day or enjoying the view at the night. The white glass panels ensure you always feel connected to the nature. Moving through this Japanese tiny house, you will find smartly placed bathroom and toilet beneath a loft bed. This is one of the most efficient and creative features of the home. By placing the loft bed above the bathroom, the design maximizes vertical space, making the Japanese tiny house both functional and compact. The loft bed area is cozy, private, and makes excellent use of every inch of space without sacrificing the comfort. Stepping inside the Japanese tiny house also features a small terrace at the side. This terrace is designed as a peaceful spot to relax, enjoy a cup of tea, or simply breathe in the fresh air. It's a reminder that even in a compact home, outdoor living can still be a part of everyday life. The terrace adds an extra dimension to this Japanese tiny house, turning into not just a shelter but also the lifestyle. Every corner of this Japanese tiny house tells a story of balance between simplicity and also the function, between indoors and outdoors, and between modern design and traditional Japanese sensibilities. It's more than just a place to live, it's thoughtful design that redefines small space living. So join us as we take a closer look at this inspiring Japanese tiny house and discover how beauty, practicality, and comfort can all come together in such a compact yet stunning home.